Welcome to Western GMC Buick. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2021 GMC Sierra Denali HD. This vehicle is featured in black metallic paint with black alloy rims. We have a full-line truck bed, power extendable liftgates, as well as our rear privacy tint. We also have our 6.6-liter diesel engine, four-wheel drive. Then we have on the interior heated and cooled leather seats, sunroof, and a heated steering wheel. Onto the interior now of the Sierra 3500. On our door panel, we can see we have our chrome door handle, emery seat option, window and mirror controls with power mirror fold-in and extension. Below that, we have our Bose speaker, storage. Inside of the seat, we have our power adjustable seats with lumbar support. Left of the steering wheel, we have our trailering mode, four-wheel drive controls, and lighting controls. Our gauge cluster with screen, multifunction leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, kind of a brushed metal trim on there as well. We have our push start, infotainment screen. You can see we have that trim continued into the center area. The screen has a built-in backup camera, navigation, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Below that, we have radio controls, dual zone climate controls. You can see there on the dials. We also have our heated and cooled seats, vehicle controls, charging outlets, and our trailer brake. We have our wireless charging pad, two cup holders, wooden trim, then our padded leather center console lid with phone holder up top. Here's our key. You can see we have remote start and power tailgate release, GMC badge on the back, and chrome on the sides. Front seats are featured in black leather, Denali embossed into the headrest, and then perforated leather in the lower portion of the seat. Our rear view mirror has a rear view camera built in, as you can see there. Also adjustable. OnStar controls above that, as well as three garage door openers, reading lights, gray headliner, and sunroof. Back onto the exterior now, we can see our Duramax badging, 6.6-liter Allison transmission. We have our chrome mirror caps, Denali HD badging in chrome as well, and just behind, or just beneath I should say, we can see our extendable running boards. Open the door, you can see they fold down. On the door, we have our chrome door handle, lock and unlock button on all four door handles as well. Rear privacy tint, side box steps, black alloy rims. You can see our red shocks behind. Paint matched rear bumper with bumper steps, hitch underneath. You can see our massive exhaust there off to the right. And we have our Sierra Denali and GMC badging. Inner lift gate. That button here, this folds down. You can see a full-line truck bed with Denali badging at the front. Moving on to the rear interior now, we can see we have our chrome door handle, wooden trim, window switch, as well as our speaker and storage. Back of the front seats, we have leather magazine holders. And back of the center console area, we have our rear cup holders, heated seat options, charging outlets, and vents. You can see the rear floor mats have a carpet inlay. This can be removed and washed. And we have our fold-out storage seats and fold-down center seat with two cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2021 GMC Sierra. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily GMC videos, and we hope to see you in at Western GMC Buick sometime very soon.